G'day everybody, where's Wally here. Hey, today I want to have a look at the final experiment drone Supercut. Now this is time synchronized videos specifically for debunking Dronegate. Now with all the code being generated by Flurfs in the wake of the final experiment, there is a very interesting thing happening. Any of us that regularly watch the Flurf live streams to see what they're saying today to help them cope, we are seeing something I didn't realize would happen. Day one, someone says, "Hey, Will's drone beeped after it went past MC Toon. Must have been a studio wall in front of the drone, hey?" Next minute, there's Dronegate. So I knew Will had a video from the drone on the green screen debunking day. I asked him for it so I could make a Supercut video using it. That is just what I did, using Will and MC Toon's live stream videos as well. I then showed the 3 video mashup around Wolfpack, and Dave McKeegan said, "What about me? It isn't fair. I have a video and I want to share." And it was also at that point that Mark Herman's video came to light, so I added that in as well. Now I've got 5. And this is the result.
Thank you so much. You can get back to filming. So anyway, how it works is when you have things like, this is the water bottle I've been using out here that are green in color, and you have that chroma key turned on, it removes that. Here is a can of some Chilean Pringles called Crispos. You'll notice here the red and the green color, so no green screen. But what I'm most excited about is I am going to utilize my drone.
So he's gonna use his drone here, and he's gonna fly it away behind him.
Hopefully this goes well here.
To show there's no green screen.
Because there was a conspiracy theory that there was a green screen. It was all backwards. It wouldn't have worked at all.
But this is going to be fun for me.
The way that it worked out was
getting everything booted up right now. I'm actually going to remove my gloves.
Green screen. So
that I have
he's going to fly this drone back away, and I'm
going to
move off into the distance here to show
how it works.
So
or
here's
how it
the
can't
drone.
work or whatever.
Upside down.
You would have to go through the
right
green screen.
Of course, I'm pretty far away from him already.
This is my DJI drone that I brought
this
to.
Is, you know, the conspiracy theories they come up with to deny reality is.
Go ahead and launch this here real quick for you guys.
Godwin's law, right? Look it up if you're unfamiliar with it. All right, here it goes. He's flying his drone. It's going to go through, backwards through wherever a green screen would have to be.
Okay, hopefully you can hear me with the drone, but I'm also going to record
he's
what
going to
the
record
drone
this
is videoing
on the drone and
publish it later.
And I'm going to go backward. So obviously, if there was a green screen, this drone would not be able to fly backward toward MC Toon, who's also live streaming. Who's also filming the drone. Alright, now I'm going to come right back to us. Alright.
Look at that. Mount Rossman in the background as it flies by. Amazing. So cool.
And then back again. So here we go. We now
There it is. He landed it. Awesome.
And right back. So here's what I'd like to say.
There we go. All right.
Is that
back to
Flat Earthers, I do want to give you
some stuff
credit
here.
for
This is Jaren's camera
that you put into
here.
What you believe.
It's been
So now that I have a very nice hammer, I went looking for a nail to hit with it. And Sovereign Soul's Unchained Mind on Fkatzoids the other day provided just the nail I wanted to hit. So let's hear the derp as they whip themselves into a wool Duffy busting lather.
And Toon marching around like an angry 13-year-old girl yelling at her boyfriend at the mall. And his shadow really screwing it up for everybody. I'm surprised they didn't didn't Stanley Kubrick him on the way back just for that. The whole drone beeping thing, Dave Weiss's excuse here is flimsy as toilet paper.
Well, at least Dirth has a drone and he shows us a practical demo, whereas you, Solve, is just an armchair expert.
I've watched it, and they can doctor it all they want to because I've downloaded the original to it.
Oh, download the original, hey? Well, I have the raw footage, so I win on that account alone.
And I see that thing go past tune, slow its beep, almost stop beeping, continue on, and then start beeping rapidly as tune then starts to try to cover for it and walk toward the drone.
Well, Mr. Monday Morning Quarterback, that's what you think you see, but when you watch the Supercut, even Blind Freddy can see that the max point of beeping is always when it's approaching MC tune, not when it's past MC tune. The point that the prox sensor goes quiet is when the drone is far away and beyond MC tune.
Yeah,
So
but
that
that's just saying we can watch it, and then we can see from itself, and we can actually see what was going on.
Is
Because
the
I do
idea,
have it as well.
sorry, is the idea that they weren't in Antarctica when they flew this drone, or what's your?
The idea is to smear Will Duffy and TFE and the irrefutable drone footage with as much cope as possible. So these guys do not have to try to explain how the 24-hour sun works on the flat earth model that they are too chicken to say that they have.
No,
or
I
you're
don't
just,
think they were in Antarctica when they flew this drone. Not one bit. I've got
Okay,
some
what-
footage of. I can show you this very same place, man, in November 2016, and you're not in these kind of conditions. This thing's not being affected none by the wind at all, and the fact that it beeped at nothing in the background, and their blatant attempt to try to cover that up.
The proximity sensor went nuts at MC tune, not nothing. That's your unsupported contention, Solve, old man, but do go on and make up some more stuff for me to say no.
I mean, that might work on an idiot.
Oh, this is the IMAX projection moment where Solve is feeling like an idiot, so he will claim he's not. Betcha.
But I'm very a detail-oriented person. I'm very detailed. I pay attention. It's hard to pull shit on me.
So detailed oriented that you missed the drone shadow that is showing when the drone is beside MC tune. You should have went to Specsavers, Solve.
So that's telling me the reflection in his glasses aren't real either. Now, doesn't that corroborate what we said with his green screen?
So much cope. Next he'll be saying Will was wearing green screen glasses.
Weird.
Could he not be wearing green screen glasses?
Called it.
They have fucked up so hard.
Uh-oh.
Take it up to where it goes past Duff. Take it up to where it goes past old tune there and starts beeping.
Okay, well, let's go back to normal. But don't you guys find that weird? It doesn't show. He goes off screen and all of a sudden it's showing.
Oh, for the few that care what Fkatzoid is babbling about, he just spent 15 minutes looking at reflections in Will's glasses. I'm hoping Glassesgate will be tomorrow's next big thing.
Which is my screen,
Okay.
and I'm going to go backward.
There you go. Oh, hey.
Listen,
No,
It's Will Duffy.
Oh,
Obviously,
y'all got to be quiet and listen
With
to
a
the
green
beep,
screen.
man.
Be quiet and listen, man, or you'll miss the bleeding obvious like old Solve did.
sorry. Sorry.
this drone would not be able to fly backward toward MC Toon, who's also live streaming.
Who cares?
Says the guy who doesn't want to consider facts and just how dumb Dronegate is.
And who's also
and now it's beeping that he's getting closer to it.
filming the drone.
Yes, maybe he's just
All right,
launching.
now I'm going to come right back to
It got close to the screen.
No, Solve. The max prox rate was when the drone was close to MC Toon, as you'll see when you watch the Supercut video.
It got close to the screen in the studio. That's what happened. And Toon tried to cover it up by walking toward the thing, but it was beeping way fast. If you listen when it goes away from Toon, it goes beep, 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 and starts slowing down. And then it gets off in the distance and starts going, dee, 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 and then Toon starts walking to it.
Nope, so none of the timeline is what we see in the Supercut. Sorry, not sorry. Oh, and I can't wait for you to watch it and to apologize to the whole community for misleading them all.
If it was because of Toon, it would have started off slow and gotten faster.
Yeah, but it won't be Toon because it... Wow.
207. Oh, I think Fkatzoid is realizing the old sub is wrong, but isn't game to call him out.
Yeah, that's weird. And where's the drone shadow, by the way?
The drone shadow. Good question. Hint, don't ask Sav because he misses that detail every time he watches it.
Doesn't matter.
All right.
There we go. Okay, it's coming up on the side, yeah?
Just doesn't matter.
And back again. So here we go.
Oh my gosh.
We now.
Yeah, that's how the astronauts do their shit when they're about to CGI them catching something, remember?
Initially, Toon was about
And right back.
15 feet behind Duffy, initially in this video.
Well, you might be right about that, and it's also totally irrelevant.
Oh, okay.
Something's wrong there, though.
Yeah, it was me.
I want to re-look at the drone shadow as well, because something was up with it.
What the? I don't know what to... I don't want to know.
Look, there, he's only going about that far, and then it's going there. It stops there. Wait, why has it got shadow down there? Can you see that? It looks like it's make. Wait, what? Playback speed. Look at this, guys. Concentrate quickly on that shadow. It looks like it's making a shadow there.
It's a premiere. Oh, it's a premiere. Duffy's doing a premiere now. It's just gone live. It's just gone. We started.
Also filming.
Wait, look. As soon as the drone's going to make. Look, it's going to kind of cast shadow there. Look, there we go. Look, it's moving. There's a shadow where my mouse is from the drone.
And technically the shadow should be on the right side of the drone on the ground.
Now, the drone shadow is here where my mouse is circling, not where Fkatzoid is looking. And what's so funny here is that with this eagle-eye crew, not one of them sees the shadow, or if they do, they're not game enough to call out Fkatzoid either. Oh, give that man a prize. He either sees it where I am circling it, or actually he's used his brain and logicked to figure out where the shadow must be.
Exactly. But look, that means there's something there, like a wall.
Oh, he gets it and then forgets it. The derp is strong in this stream. Fkatzoid's shadow fail is so very funny. Now, he's so focused on proving that there's a shadow on an imaginary non-existent wall on the left that he completely misses the real shadow on the right near my mouse. Now, I know he does find it later on. Doesn't change his mind, however. He still thinks there is a fake wall. So much cope, so much fail. Well, my job here is done. I can't wait to see what new anomalies they find when they get their teeth into this 5 or maybe 6 video supercut of Dronegate. One thing is for sure, Will won't be getting any apology for them claiming that Will is being a tricky little boy. We can be pretty sure of that. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this supercut. If you do like it, give me a click, a like and a subscribe and show your friends. Thanks, guys.